Hello, question 37. Find the value of load resistor RL for maximum power transfer. Input source 5 cos 2t and 6 ohm, two resistors in parallel and with 2 Henry inductor with load resistor RL connected in series. Solution: frequency omega equal to 2 radians per second. We use the Thevenin theorems and we remove the AC source and short circuited. So 6 ohm, 6 ohm, two resistors in parallel. This equal to 3 ohm with 2 Henry inductor in series. So RTH equal to amplitude of R plus J omega L. So RTH equal to amplitude of 3 plus J4. So for maximum power transfer, load resistance RL equal to RTH equal to 5 ohms. Okay, thank you.